Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by getting access and a working environment. Create your Kaggle account and enable two-factor authentication. This protects your projects. Once done, download your API token and configure the Kaggle CLI so you can pull datasets and submit kernels from your machine. Then open a notebook in the Kaggle editor or create a local project folder and sync it. These steps let you move fast, secure access, reproducible workspace, and immediate data, pulling without manual downloads. Next, focus on exploring and iterating. You should run quick EDA to understand shapes, missingness, and class balance. Use head, describe, and value counts to spot issues. Then prepare a reproducible pipeline in a Kaggle kernel, enabling GPU or TPU if needed, and log versions and parameters. Start with a simple baseline model to set expectations, then iterate on features and cross-validation strategy. Make sure to validate rigorously, so your improvements are real and not just noise. Finally, prepare and submit your work correctly. Produce final predictions using your best validated model, format the submission CSV exactly as the contest requires, and use the Kaggle CLI or website to submit. Once submitted, track your public and private scores and make small, controlled changes if needed. If results are worse than expected, troubleshoot. Check random seed consistency, cross-validation leakage, feature leakage, and runtime limits. Fixing those common issues usually recovers performance quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.